Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So one of the common issues we see with the F56, especially with them getting older, is related to this, the key fob. So when you're starting to see low battery warnings on the car, so I'll put the symbol up on the screen now, and you also get this on the dash. It's a nice and simple fix. Literally, this won't take you more than 30 seconds to actually swap the battery over. So we're going to dive straight into that video now and show you how to change the battery on your key fob. Okay, so all you need is your replacement battery, so a CR2032 3-volt, flathead screwdriver and your key. First of all, this little silver button, you press that and pull your key out. Next, get your screwdriver and that little flap there on the back, you just pop that up. It's not going to sound great when you do it. I promise you it's not breaking it. That's how it's designed to come apart. Then you should be able to just pop that off as well. And you've got your battery in there. So let's just come in from this end, pop the battery out. All you do, slot your new battery in till it clips down in place. You get your cover back up, flip it round, slide that in, and this provides a nice seal for the battery. Hold it in place, put your back cover back on, stick your key in, and it is as simple as that. And now what you do, go and test that on your car and make sure you're now not getting that error message. So hopefully you'll agree that's a super simple video on how to change the battery in your key fob. Hopefully that solved your problem. If you found it useful, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.